Hi, everyone. So we have step 5 now, where we have these lovely, almost look like lined sheets of paper, like loose leaf. Um, and what we need to do, you should only have one. I have two because I'm showing you your two options for the next step. You're either going to do the easiest one, which is putting an X across the sheet of paper, or you're going to pick a shape, and it needs to be a shape of something that you have a tracer of. Okay. It needs to be somewhat large. It shouldn't go off the edges. This is just a lid to some pretzels. So it has to be a shape that you can trace from something that is in your house. Okay. So I'm going to show you the X first, and then you'll have the option of doing the X or the other one after I show you that. So the first thing, we need to go from corner of this to corner, and you can see that my ruler is not long enough. So let's say that happens to you. Okay, you want to try your best to line it up so it looks like it's going to go to this corner. And what we need is it not to go all the way up to the top corner, but right where the tip of the ruler is, so this corner. And then you want to point it as if it's going to the bottom one. All right. And so what I'm going to do is start to draw that line. And then I'm going to keep my pencil or pen on that, and I'm going to slide the ruler down. So now you will notice I'm on that line still, and I'm connected. Now I'm going to slowly go down because I want to stop right when I get to there. All right. Next, do the same thing with this one. So I want to try my best to look at it and see if I can line that up. I start. Now I'm going to keep my pen there or my pencil there, and I'm going to slowly bring it down. I've moved the ruler now, and now I can go to that corner. Okay. That is as easy as step 5 is if you do an X. Okay. Now, why did we do an X? Well, you got to stay tuned for step 6. So with the circle one now, I can put the circle up high. I can put it low. What I don't want to do is go all the way to one of the edges. So I don't want to go all the way up to the top. So I got to have a little bit left on the sides, on the top, all of that. So you can put it in the middle. I'm not going to put it in the middle. I'm going to go with this spot here, and I'm going to carefully trace it. Okay. And now I have my circle. Okay. So that is step 5. You could do a triangle, all right? If you have something to trace that is a triangle. You could do a oval if you have something to trace that's oval. So you got to have something that you can trace. So pick which one you want, and then watch step 6 for the next direction.